JetBlue is now accepting Venmo for flights. Imagine booking your next JetBlue flight in just seconds using the convenience of Venmo. Say goodbye to frustrating payment processes and hello to effortless travel. JetBlue's groundbreaking move makes it the first airline to connect with Venmo users like you. Flying has never been this easy. JetBlue's decision to accept Venmo marks a milestone in airline innovation. As the first carrier to enable this payment option, this move caters to millions of users already relying on Venmo for their daily transactions. It's not just a small change, it's a transformation for modern travelers. For years, Venmo has defined quick, hassle-free payments. Now, it moves beyond splitting bills with friends and enters the skies. This big leap forward redefines how airline payments work, blending convenience and flexibility, paving the way for seamless booking experiences. Excited to try it? Booking with Venmo is simple. Select your flight on JetBlue's website, choose Venmo at checkout, and complete payment using your Venmo balance or linked methods like a bank account. It's a smooth process designed for your busy lifestyle. Soon, JetBlue plans to incorporate Venmo payments into its app, making mobile bookings even easier. Whether you're using it now or in the future, Venmo ensures faster transactions, allowing you to concentrate on planning your journey instead of worrying about payments. JetBlue understands its tech-savvy travelers. By introducing Venmo, it's making flying more accessible to younger audiences who value quick digital solutions. This innovative step enhances the JetBlue experience and positions the airline as an industry pace-setter in customer convenience. Picture this. No hassle with cards, no long steps, just a few clicks to confirm your flights. JetBlue's efficiency meets Venmo's streamlined system, allowing you to book in seconds and get back to what really matters, looking forward to your next adventure. This move isn't just about convenience, it's about creating a painless way to pay. With Venmo's social sharing feature, you can even let the world know where you're flying next, or split payments with travel companions with ease. JetBlue's integration of Venmo eliminates the average traveler's pain points. No more worrying about declined cards, lost details, or confusing payment portals. Your flying experience is now as smooth as your Venmo payments. JetBlue's Venmo partnership signals a bold embrace of technology. In a world turning increasingly digital, this synergy anticipates wider adoption of payment platforms. JetBlue is not just keeping up with the times, it's leading the charge. This step aligns perfectly with Venmo's growth from a peer-to-peer transfer app to a full-fledged digital wallet. Travelers across the U.S. can now tap into the simplicity of Venmo to make stress-free flight bookings a reality. This isn't only a gain for passengers, JetBlue benefits too. By tapping into Venmo's user base of millions, they're reshaping how airlines engage with customers, combining convenience with loyalty. It's a smart business move that places people at the core of its strategy. The airline is actively reshaping its future by making travel enjoyable even before you board the plane. Effortless payment options create happier customers, and happy customers will naturally return for more. Gone are the days of cumbersome travel transactions. JetBlue accepting Venmo simplifies your booking process, especially for those switching to mobile payments. Whether you're flying solo or booking for a group, you've got a fast, secure, and trusted payment method at your fingertips. Venmo's integration opens doors to an even broader spectrum of payment possibilities. Effortless, flexible, and secure JetBlue ensures that travel can match your fast-paced life while keeping up with today's evolving digital landscape. JetBlue is not just moving planes, it's moving the entire travel industry forward. With Venmo as a payment option, the focus remains on making passengers' lives easier. This shift strengthens JetBlue's reputation as an airline that truly listens and adapts to its customers' needs. More than just a tech integration, this is part of a larger movement toward better, smarter travel tools. As your habits evolve, companies like JetBlue are stepping up to ensure customer-first innovations lead the way. Don't miss out on this game-changing partnership. Next time you book, opt for Venmo and experience the seamless payment convenience JetBlue now offers. Share the excitement with friends, plan your dream trip, and enjoy the future of effortless travel today. The sky is calling, let Venmo take you there.